In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in the Hostinger website builder. We'll go from opening your site in the builder to adding a blog page, creating a post, customizing the title and image, and then getting everything ready to publish. One small thing to keep in mind before we get started: if the blog panel doesn't appear where you expect it, there's an alternate way to open it, and that little detail can save you some confusion. Start by going to Hostinger, heading into your website section, and choosing the option to edit your website. That will open the Hostinger website builder, which is where all of the blog setup happens. If you haven't been in this area before, don't worry, the layout is very visual, so it's fairly easy to follow once you know where to click. Once the builder is open, go to Pages, choose Add Page, and then select Blog. This adds the blog area to your website structure. After that, look over to the left-hand side and click Blog. This opens the blog management area where you'll be able to work with your posts. At this point, you should see 4 blank blog posts already there. These act like placeholders, which can be useful if you want to jump straight into editing. If you don't see the blog content the first way, use the alternate route I mentioned earlier. Click the 3 dots, then More, and then click Blog. This is that setting I mentioned at the start, and it's a simple fix if the blog section doesn't immediately show up. Now, click Add New Post. From here, you can either generate content with AI or build the post manually. If you want AI to help, enter a simple prompt describing the kind of article you want, then click Create Content. This can be a great starting point if you want to speed things up, especially for drafting ideas or creating a first version you can refine later. If you'd rather work from a blank post instead, click Blog again and choose one of the empty posts to edit manually. To change the post title, click on the header section, then click the pencil icon. Under Post Title, type in your new title. In the next section, you can also add a subtitle or a short post description. This helps give readers context and can make the post look more polished right away. When that looks good, click Save. Next, update the main visual for the post. Click Edit Image, then choose Replace Image. Browse until you find the hero image you want to use for the blog post and click Select. Try to choose an image that matches the topic clearly, since this is usually one of the first things visitors notice. After that, click inside the My Post Content text box and paste in your blog post text. This is where the main body of your article goes. It's a good idea to quickly scan the formatting after pasting, just to make sure spacing and structure look clean inside the editor. Once everything looks good, you have 2 options. You can schedule the post for later, or you can click Update Website to make the changes live. Scheduling is helpful if you want the post to go out at a specific time, while updating the website is the faster option if you're ready to publish now. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.